This is my suitcase. I'm going to be using these two bags for my packing cubes, the blue one and then a pink one. And for these, just because they're on the smaller side, I just put my underwear, socks, bathing suits, anything like that in there. So in here, I just put my socks and underwear in, and I'm gonna zip it up. These are some of the tops that I'm bringing with me. I just really like the outfits. They're easy to mix and match, and I just feel pretty in them. We have this baby white tee right here. I have a black version of this, but I really, really love these tops. They fit super, super nice. And then I think they're just a perfect basic. So this is actually the third packing cube I brought. I forgot about this one. This is one I made for my mom. It's definitely bigger than this one. It's gonna put in 2 tank tops. I have a pink and a blue one, and then 1 baby tee, 2 baby tees, and 3 baby tees. These are my wide-legged baggy jeans. They're from Old Navy, but I thrifted them and I actually tailored them. So I put like an elastic band in here so they actually fit my waist. This is like the very first thing I like ever altered. It is a skirt that I got off Amazon that I actually wore to Disney. It has pockets on the outside and the inside, and I just really enjoyed wearing this because we were at Disney from open to almost closed, so that we were there for a super long time, and I'm still really comfortable in this.